Given three vectors a, b and c such that a dot b is equal to a dot c and a cross b is equal to a cross c. Now we need to identify the correct statement among the following. So let us consider a dot b is equal to a dot c. So this can also be written a dot b minus a dot c is equal to 0. So we can also write a dot of b minus c vector is equal to 0. And we know the concept, when dot product is 0, whenever the two vectors is 0, we can consider p is perpendicular to q vector, or we can say that either both the vectors are 0 vectors. So we may consider either a is equal to 0 or b minus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, b minus c is equal to 0, or a vector is perpendicular to b minus c vector. So when a is equal to 0, we can say that either a is equal to 0 and b is equal to c vector, or we can say that vector a is perpendicular to b minus c. These are the two possibilities we have. And similarly, when a cross b is equal to a cross c, let's consider this. So we can write a cross b minus a cross c is equal to 0. So that is a cross of b minus c is equal to 0. And again here the cross product is 0. So which either implies we can say vector a is equal to 0, b minus c vector is equal to 0, or and a cross product p cross q is equal to 0, which implies p is parallel to q. So we may consider p is parallel to q, or p and q both are 0 vectors. So we can say a vector is parallel to b minus c vector. So here a is equal to 0, p is equal to c vector, or another case a vector must be parallel to p minus c vector. So from 1 and 2, here a is perpendicular to b minus c and here a is parallel to b minus c, which is not possible in both the cases. So we can consider a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, b is equal to c, a is equal to 0 and b is equal to c, which is satisfying in both. So we can go with an option C, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to c vector.